I ain't made it yet, but bitch, I'm at the station. Fuck your glass ceiling, I ain't got no limitation. I ain't made it yet, but bitch, I'm at the station.
Hey y'all, so today I am back with a video. I am finna slay this wig. Y'all already know what's about to go down. So basically what I'm doing right now is I'm just putting on this stocking cap, and you want to stretch it so that it could be as smooth as possible. Right now I'm cutting out my eyes. I'm gonna cut out my ears too. I cut out my eyes so that I can see, you know, and then my ears I'm gonna cut out because it just makes the stocking cap look it makes it easier for your stocking cap to fit or to stay on your face, because if you don't cut it, it's like it don't dry right for some reason. So yeah, that's why I'm doing that. I learned that tip from a whole bunch of YouTubers. And then right now I use Gorilla Snot because it makes the stocking cap look clear when it dries. Like, I don't like the whole where it looks kind of white thing, if y'all know what I'm saying. Yeah, and the Gorilla Snot also protects my baby hairs, the little that I do have, you know. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just put that all over my perimeter or the front of my head. Okay, now baby, what we finna do is we finna melt this stocking cap into our, you know, forehead, head, whatever you want to call it, with this blow dryer. And I put it on medium heat because the hot be too hot and ain't no time. I don't want no burnt forehead. I just want, you know, my stocking cap to look like skin a little bit, if you know what I'm saying. So we gonna blow dry that until it's dry, because we don't want it to be tacky or whatever. And then yeah.
Give me a really good feeling. Your love.
So now I done cut off of that extra lace off my face, and now I'm just using extra no, that's not got to be. Girl, what are you talking about? That is Gorilla Snot. I'm putting it on the edges so it could, you know, blend in with my skin. You can see the part that I blended in, you know. You can see the parts that I didn't. But yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just putting that on the edges where you can still see the stocking cap. I'm just blending that in, making it, you know, less seeable, seamless, if you know what I mean. And then I'm just blow drying that as well.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is
okay, so y'all, now I'm about to use this good old alcohol and a cotton pad, and I'm just about to wipe that excess. Why do I not know the name of this damn stuff? Dang, Gorilla Snot. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna wipe the excess Gorilla Snot off my forehead, and then I'm just, yeah, y'all, let's see what I do next. And yes, I am brushing because I told my kids I was taking them to the park, and you know, I have 3 girls and it takes us all day to get dressed, so I'm rushing a little bit. So don't even hold me accountable for the way this looks, because I'll show you all again on another day or whatever when I'm doing my wig, but don't judge me. Thank you very much. So now that I got all the excess glue off of my head, I'm going to cut the stocking cap off in the back and a little bit on the side. And don't mind me, I'm not sewing it down or nothing like that. Like I said, I'm rushing and I need to go. I don't know why I'm dancing right now, because I am rushing, but I did have on some music, because you know, when you get dressed, you gotta feel sexy, you gotta feel good, you know. So that's how I roll when I get dressed. I don't know about y'all. So y'all, I'm going to use this Zulu palette, and I'm going to use that brown color at the top, and I'm just going to put that on my lace to make it look more like my skin tone. Yeah, this helps the wig, well, under the wig, or the, what is it called? You want your scalp to come through, you know, you want your scalp to look like scalp, so you want to put something close to your skin color, because if you don't, it ain't gonna be, you know, scalpiana. It's gonna be giving very much crustiana. So you make sure that you do this step when you are putting on your wig, girl, because we don't got time to be crusty out here. Now it's time to see what this wig is giving, so we gonna put it on our head, and y'all, I don't know why he in my video like interrupting my stuff, you know, but yeah, we trying to see what this wig is giving. So what we finna do is just see where it's at on both sides, because this is a wig, girl. I got this wig off of, where did I get it from? Amazon, and it came pre-plucked. It came it's a okay wig, you know, especially from Amazon. So I was like, okay, you know, I could do something with this. I had just bleached the knots. I never bleached the knots, but I had did that before I had them this time. So yeah, we finna re-put this wig on. We finna put some of that lot of body on it, setting lotion, because I just want to get all of them hairs out the way so that I can see what it's giving, you know. I want to comb all of that back, comb all of the hairs out the way, because you don't want no hairs to be in your way when you're trying to put down your wig, because the hairs is gonna get stuck with the glue. You don't want hair stuck with the glue. I'm just trying to tell you, because it's gonna be a hassle trying to get it off, and then you're gonna be trying to use alcohol trying to get it off, and you're gonna be lifting your wig, girl. So no, we not doing all of that. We just gonna get the hairs out the way first, so that we can have a smooth process. And I'm gonna use Ghost Bond glue to apply this wig today. So I'm using the Ghost Bonds glue, like I said, to put this wig on, and we just gonna put that all around the perimeter, and we're gonna use the rat tail comb to smooth it out to make it not so thick. We don't want it to be thick, because we want our wig to lay flat. We want a flat wig, right, ladies? Not a helmet. We want a flat wig. So and then I'm gonna blow dry it until it gets clear, and then I'm gonna put on, I think, 2 more layers of the Ghost Bond glue. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. So yeah, I'll be back.
Then dip me underway. Fill my mouth with flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for every, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
We are fin to apply the wig. So now you just want to push the wig down, and you want to use the ridges of your comb to comb it in. kind of like, because if you use your fingers, it kind of like gets on your fingers, it gets sticky, and then it's hard to use your fingers to use for, girl, what did you say? It's hard to use your fingers because your hands gonna be sticky, basically. So you want to use the comb so that your hands are not getting sticky, so that you can't finish the process. That's what I'm trying to say, girl. I'm gonna use this alcohol. What am I gonna use this alcohol for? Oh, for the back of the comb, because once you use the glue, it get kind of like tacky, and then it's hard for you to lay the glue down anywhere else on your forehead. So yeah, that's why I did that. But now I'm just, putting the wig where I want it, seeing how it look, and then I'm just applying the glue, and I'm gonna keep doing that for the perimeter of my head, or the front of my head.
Trying to climb up my mountain. I want to play in the deep end, deep end,
And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do if I told you you were beautiful?
I had felt the lump right there, and I was getting irritated because I'm like, but I know how to fix it. It's just, you just gotta pull on it, tug on it, comb it into place, press on it, you know. So that's what I was doing. I melted it for about 20 minutes up under the little elastic band with on high heat with my blow dryer. And now what I'm doing is parting the hairs so I could make some baby hairs, and also to pluck the wig because it was really thick on this side and it's not on the other side. So yeah, I was plucking the wig.
And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, when you make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
So y'all, literally after this my phone died, so I inserted some pictures for you guys to see how it looked after the finished product. I was happy with the finished product, even though I know it's not my best work, but literally all I did was put some makeup on my parts and did my baby hairs. But this is the finished look, and I hope you guys like this tutorial. I'll be back in another video. Thanks. Mwah.
I ain't made it yet, but bitch, I'm at the station. Fuck your glass ceiling, I ain't got no limitation. I ain't made it yet, but bitch, I'm at the